Unlock your YouTube money machine, the Evergreen Content Strategy. What if I told you one secret weapon separates money-making creators from the rest? Most YouTubers grind out video after video, but only a few know how to create content that works for them 24/7. It's called Evergreen Content. This isn't just another trendy buzzword. It's the backbone of consistent growth and passive income for successful YouTubers. In this video, I'll show you how Evergreen Content can become your YouTube money machine, generating views, subscribers, and revenue even when you're not uploading. Plus, I'll reveal the exact steps I took to create timeless, income-producing content for this channel. Money opulence. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, you need videos that don't just go viral for a day, but keep earning you money for years. Most creators chase trends and burnout, constantly trying to keep up. But the real winners build a system where one video can pay them over and over again. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step blueprint to create evergreen videos that drive consistent views, revenue, and subscribers on autopilot. Segment 1. What is Evergreen Content? Evergreen content is like a gift that keeps on giving. It's timeless, valuable, and always relevant. Unlike trendy topics that fade fast, evergreen videos answer fundamental questions or problems that people will always be searching for. For example, on money opulence, I focus on financial education, videos like how to create a budget, investing for beginners. You must stay relevant no matter the year or economic climate. Think of evergreen content as the foundation of your YouTube library, the books everyone keeps coming back to. Segment 2. Why is evergreen content important? So why is evergreen content the ultimate YouTube strategy? 1. Consistent views and passive income. Imagine a video you created 2 years ago still bringing in views and ad revenue today. That's the power of evergreen content. My video, Understanding Credit Scores, is still one of my top performers, earning me passive income daily. 2. SEO benefits. Higher search rankings. Evergreen topics target keywords with consistent search volume, giving your videos a long-term advantage in YouTube search rankings. This is how I attract organic traffic to money opulence without spending a dime on ads. Or 3. Audience growth and authority. By providing valuable, timeless content, you attract and retain a loyal audience. People see you as a trusted source of information and keep coming back for more. But how do you know which topics will work best for your niche? Segment 3. Identifying evergreen topics. Step 1. Brainstorm your audience's needs. Think about the problems your audience always has. For example, in personal finance, topics like debt management strategies. How to save for retirement are universal. People will always search for them. Step 2. Keyword research for long-term demand. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ help me discover high-demand, low-competition topics that stay relevant for years. I found investing for beginners as a high-volume keyword, turned it into a video, and it became one of my best performers. Step 3. Analyze competitors and find gaps. Look at what evergreen content other creators in your niche are making. Then ask, can I add a unique twist? Did they miss something I can cover? Once you have your topics, the next step is creating videos that stand out. Segment 4. Creating high-quality evergreen content. Step 1. Invest in production-quality film strip. When I first started, I used natural lighting and my phone's camera. But upgrading to a better audio sound and newest software made a huge difference in audience retention. Step 2. Structure for maximum engagement. Every video needs a clear beginning, middle, and end. Hook your viewers in the first 10 seconds. Deliver high-value content. End with a strong call to action. Step 3. Use engaging visuals. My secret weapon is animation. Animation makes my videos dynamic and engaging while simplifying complex financial topics. But even the best video won't perform well if no one can find it. That's why optimization is critical. Segment 5. Optimizing for search. Step 1. Use SEO-optimized titles, descriptions, and tags. My video How to Create a Budget ranks well because I included keywords like budgeting tips and personal finance in the description. Step 2. Thumbnails that grab attention. Your thumbnail is your first impression. Early on, I made the mistake of being too title-focused. Once I switched to bold text, bright colors, and clear visuals, my click-through rate skyrocketed. Step 3. Add captions for accessibility and SEO boost. Closed captions don't just help viewers, they also make your content searchable, helping YouTube understand your video. Now that your videos are optimized, how do you ensure they keep generating views over time? Segment 6. Evergreen Content and Passive Income. Evergreen content is the key to unlocking your YouTube money machine. By creating timeless, valuable videos, you can attract consistent views, grow your audience, generate passive income for years to come. Now that you know that evergreen content can build your YouTube empire, generating money while you sleep, you need to know that views alone aren't enough. If you want to grow fast, you need a subscriber growth strategy. If you don't have the right strategy, it will delay your channel's growth, hurting your video longevity. I'll show you a proven strategy I used to get my first 1,000 subscribers fast. This secret is in my next video.